Assalamualaikum guys. So my camera stopped and I forgot to say Assalamualaikum. So yeah, this is it. Assalamualaikum guys. Assalamualaikum my peeps, welcome back to my channel. My name is ever simply Habiba, but y'all can just call me Habiba. Today is part 2 of cleaning / decluttering with me. The last time you saw me, I was cleaning my closet. My closet is sort of clean, but like now that I'm gonna come clean here, this closet's gonna get kind of messy again. But yeah, that's that. I can clean it easily. I still haven't gotten my clothes bin and my shoe rack, so that is another task. I missed suhoor today and I was kind of afraid that I wasn't gonna get this video done, but I had to do that. After Fajr, I went to sleep and I woke up for Zuhur and I just feel so energized. I'm like, I need to get things done now or else I'll feel really tired later on, like the acid and stuff like that. So I was like, I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I hope you guys are doing well this Ramadan. Hope you guys are staying safe. I should have filmed this thing on Friday, but I had Juma. I don't know if I said it in the other one, but my masjid is also having Juma as well as Tarawih, and it's like I want, because it's been weeks since I've been to Juma and I just miss it. And I was like, I'm going to go, and I also went for Tarawih, but after Juma I was so tired I couldn't clean, because not only did I go to Juma, but I want to go shopping for some food. And then I came home and I was exhausted. Arizona's heat makes you really tired. But it is what it is. So I'm filming today's Saturday. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamualaikum guys.
What you are about to see is absolutely foolery. Look at that. What is that? I had to improvise guys. Like, I felt this shirt was too low for my comfort, so I had to zip it up, like pin it up, and that looks like I have a hunchback, like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Like, I am laughing at myself right now. What is that?
Let's see if I can get up there, guys. I'm pretty short. Oh, I had to take a break, guys. That was too much. It got in my nose. On my hat. It's like, oh no. So I had to wash my face, wash my nose. No, you are never gonna catch me ashy. Never. Black people cannot be ashy, dude. We gotta keep our melanin shining. Shiny, shiny. I'm gonna put some lip balm on and continue this work, yeah? Who else is a Carmex fan? I've tried all of the lip balms out here and nothing did anything to my lips besides Carmex. Like, I used to have cracked lips. Like, my lips that you saw 2 days ago, part 1 of this video, it was worse than that. And I tried everything that I saw at Walmart. And I was like, I'm gonna try Carmex. And I've been using Carmex since then. Like, Carmex has not let me down. It's so bad. Like, you can't tell from far. But it's really bad. I don't know. Oh. I finished what I needed to do. It feels and looks so much better. I feel so much calmer. Like, alhamdulillah. My bed is made up. The boxes are gone. I just have 2 boxes here, but one of them is gonna be gone because I had to ship my packages to my school because I did rental books and I have to do packaging. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower now in preparation for Tarweeh. During this time, especially, even outside, but especially this time, you gotta just keep clean, okay guys? No filter. Just be hygienic. That's just basic. And wash your hands. Do not rely so much on hand sanitizer. I don't know why people are like, oh, I need hand sanitizer. Washing your hand is better than hand sanitizer. Wallahi, it is. You just get more rid of germs than using hand sanitizer. I mean, hand sanitizer works, but it's better if you wash your hands, especially with lukewarm to warm water, maybe hot if you can handle that, because I know I can. So I like washing my hands with hot water. I got time to catch no coronavirus, but yeah, just keep safe. I'll see you guys